So hi guys, today I'm going to do unboxing of Flashforge Creator 3. So this is a FDM printer, which is fused deposition modeling, or also called fused filament fabrication. So what I liked about this printer was this is a dual extrusion, and it has a very good print dimension. So it's about 20 by 25 by 30 centimeter, which is fairly good. And also the cost, what it costed me was also, I would say, economical for the features it is offered. So let's get started. It's about 9:15, so let's see how much time it will take me to unbox this, and maybe a series of video after that. We can also, I'll try to show the setup that I'll do in my house, and also show my first printing experience. Maybe I can give some reviews after that also. So let's get started. So this is a fairly big box and quite heavy. I tried to move it to a different room, but it's too heavy. So I'm hoping after I open it up, maybe the weight will reduce a little bit. So let's see. Well, I started cutting the top, but maybe this is something which can just come out like this. So some good padding. So that's it. That's the printer there. Maybe I'll get rid of this sides. This is a big base, and you have to take it out from that base. So I got this out of this big casing, so hopefully it will be easier to open up the rest of the part. So I'll start from the top. So it looks like there's some manual here, and I'm not sure if I should follow this as for unboxing also. So let me see what's in there. So this is some service, after sales service. It's all in Chinese. So well, yeah, on the back there is the English version. I don't need it now. Let's keep it here. So there is a quick start guide here. Well, it does talk about unboxing also. It looks like some of the steps are already done. So I don't know how we can follow this if it was already in the box. But anyways, so it looks like we've done. We've done up to step 5, and I've removed the tapes from the top. And let's see what should be the 7th step. So I did that. So took the top part and the foam out. Okay, I need to take this foam out. So there's some power cords, and this is the Indian or the British power plug. And this looks like the finishing kit. Maybe I'll just quickly open and see what's in there. So there's this spatula to take the printed parts out, and some screwdrivers, Allen wrench. I believe. I don't know if this will be needed to unbox this, or this is for later. So we'll find out. Just a white grease. I don't know what's the use of that. We'll see. The USB drive. This looks like some brush, maybe for post processing the parts. This also looks like a brush. I don't know what this is for. Looks like a plastic tube, and some more Allen wrench and a simple wrench. So I'll find out what is what will be the use for that later. So I'll just put everything back now. So this looks like washable glue. So I don't know what will be used for that, and I don't know what this is. So we'll find out. Okay, so 7th step, remove the blue fastening tape. So I think I'm not sure if I should take this one out now. So there is a filament. So this is a PLA filament, white. So maybe I'll use it for my first printing, and there is a blue PLA filament also. So this came with the package. Maybe I'll come to the front part of it. So yeah, so still working on the front. Trying to take the case up. This looks like the door. It's quite flimsy. I don't know why this is. I expected it to be a little more sturdy, but we'll see. Okay. So I need to take this foam out. So I've already taken out the filaments, but this looks like something to put the filaments. So this is what they call waste boxes. I thought this will fit the filament, but it's not fitting in. So I'm not sure. Maybe after this is for disposing or whatever. We'll find out. So for now, I'll just keep it aside. I don't need it now. So this is how it looks. So I'll just try to put some flashlight to show the inside. So there is this big this base. It says do not touch, but I assume it's when it is being printed. But these are the two extruders. So as I said earlier, this is a dual extruder. So what's the benefit of that is you can print two different type of materials at the same time, or you can choose to print two different colors. So the limitation of FDM printer and NSLA printers is it can only print in one color, but with this technology you can at least go to two colors. So I'll see how that works. So that's how it looks. It's pretty simple inside because the principle is quite simple. All you have to do is the filament has to be heated by these extruders and yeah, it just goes onto this plate, and this plate can also be heated. So this printer has a heated plate, so it can go up to 300 Celsius. So for some materials it's good to have a heated plate. So that should make it more flexible to try out different materials. So pretty simple from inside, not much to talk there. So looks like we're done with 9 steps, and 10th step is removing clips. So what I have to do is remove these two yellow clips, and it shows over there, it says over there to remove before first use. So I'll take those off. But at this moment, what I think will be good, because the next step is to plug it. So I'll try to move it to the room where I'm going to set it up, and after I set it up, then I'll remove the clips and power it on. So let me do that first. So I got the printer in a different room, and I've used a small table for this. This is not ideal, because ideally this should have a more sturdy table, but I'm waiting for one. Until then, I'll see how I can manage this. And so I've also plugged it, and the wire is there in the back, pretty straightforward. And so what I'm going to do next is do this, remove the clips according to the step 10. So these yellow clips. So the two yellow clips, I thought I'll have to use a knife or something, but well, at least one of them I was able to just remove it manually. Yeah, so it just comes off by using very little pressure. Okay, so I believe, so these are the belts. So I think these clips were protecting that. So now that this is removed, I guess it's ready for the first use. So I'm going to switch it on from behind, and there is a little black switch right where the cord enters. So yeah, make sure we turn that on too. And I hear a little noise, so that means, yeah, so it's looks like it's booting. So it's a little interesting sound. Everything has lit up. So yeah, it's nice and bright inside. A lot of lights. Yeah, I see a lot of LEDs on the back here. So which is giving it a nice look. And the Flashforge logo, you can see it's flashing nicely. So I'll just go ahead and follow the next steps. So I have to press the tools and then press manual, and then I guess I just have to press the buttons to move the heads. So I'll start with Z minus. So if you can see, it doesn't feel very responsive. Okay, so looks like I need to just keep pressing it, and you can see the build plate at the bottom is moving up, and I guess I have to get used to this. It doesn't feel very responsive. Okay, I don't know. So it's moving up. Looks like there is some foam at the bottom that I need to remove, and that's why it says you have to elevate. And once you elevate that, you can remove this foam from the bottom. Maybe I'll just press a little more. You can see the screws over there. It's moving, and it's moving the build plate up. I think that's a good height. Now I can safely remove this bottom foam. And looks like that's it. That's the last step to unpack Creator 3. So next we'll try some printing. I'll load the filament. I'll have to go through the instructions to see how to do that. And so I'll spend some time going through the manual before going through the next steps. So that's it. So that's how you unbox Creator 3 from Flashforge. And done the unboxing. It took me a little over 35 minutes to get this done. So I was thinking that it will take me much more time than that. But it's pretty straightforward. Everything was pretty already assembled. It's not like I had to do some assembly on this. So it was pretty much removing all the foams and packaging, and that's it. So it's functional. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. In the next video, I'll try to show you how to print using this, how to load the filaments, and see how the parts come out.